Are you not feeling good towards your health? Are you feeling like you are not well and you are not feeling good? Hello, this is Neha and I'm here to help. I'm just going to be talk about the Hoponopono prayer, how you can do Hoponopono prayer for your health. Because I'm just going to be covering the health in this video, so I will talk about Hoponopono in when I'm talking about the health. Okay, specifically health. So now let's understand what does it mean by the Hoponopono prayer. Actually, Hoponopono prayer is a Hawaiian prayer. So it contains four phrases, and the four phrases are I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So these are the four phrases what you are just going to be used here. Now, let's understand what does it mean by those four phrases. So when you say I am sorry, it simply means that you are taking responsibility. You are acknowledging that you have done something wrong to your health. And that's why you are saying I am sorry. Because you have done something wrong. Doesn't matter if you remember those things or not. But yes, you have done. Because whatever we are giving to the universe, it will always back to us. It will always come back to us. And that is the universal principle. So whatever we have done to our health, it will show us like the in when we talk about the consequences. If we are not feeling good, if we are suffering like some illness or something, there are a lot of things when I'm talking about health. So it simply mean that we have done something wrong to our health. That's why. So when you say I am sorry, you are acknowledging you are taking responsibility for all situation of your health. And now you have to say please forgive me. Please forgive me. Whatever I have done to you. Even doesn't matter if I remember those things or not. But please forgive me. Now you have to say thank you. Thank you so much. You are just going to be imagine here that you are saying thank you because your health already say I have forgiven you. Your health already forgiven you, and that's why you are saying thank you. Thank you so much. Now you have to say I love you. I really 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 love you. When you are going to be say I love you to your health, then it's just going to be you will feel something amazing. That health is crucial in our life. So now you are talking to your health and you are just going to be tell your health that you are crucial to me and I'm really 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 love you. I really love you. You have to be say this phrase with full of feeling. You cannot say okay because it is like a containing the four phrases, and that's why I'm just going to be chanting them but without feeling. Then it's not going to work for you. You have to be set intention. Yes, I have done something wrong to my health, but now because I'm just going to be acknowledging it, because I'm just going to be taking responsibility, and I'm saying forgive me and I'm saying thank you because my health has already forgiven me. And now I'm showing love towards my health. So it matters too much when you are just going to be using the Hoponopono like this. So it was the like the what does it mean by the four phrases what I have told you. But now it comes to be how you can use Hoponopono prayer when it comes to be health. How you can do that. So although there are the one or two ways you can use Hoponopono prayer for your health. And the first one and the simplest way, like you are just going to be chanting Hoponopono prayer and you are imagining that you are talking to your health. You are talking to yourself and to your health, and that's why you are just going to be say those four phrases at that particular time. So this is the first way to use the Hoponopono prayer for your specifically health. So you can chant simply, you can chant. Like, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So, this is the first way where you are just going to be use the Hoponopono prayer for specifically your health. But this was the first way to use this. And the another way and the second way is all about the conversational Hoponopono. It simply means that you are just going to be imagining that your health is a person and you are going to be talk to him. Okay, so let's suppose you are just going to be using the second way to use Hoponopono prayer for your health. Now, first thing what you have to be do is that you are going to be imagine your health is a person and you are just going to be talk to him. But now, even it would be simplest thing if you are just going to be write down everything. Everything simply mean that if you think that yes, there are the areas, there are the thing that I didn't do to my health, but I want to do in my future. In if I'm just going to be following those things, then my health will be better. Okay, so you can write down them. For example, you can say I didn't eat healthy, but I have to be say I am sorry for this. So you are just going to be identifying the areas, identify the things that you didn't do to your health, that was good but you didn't do. But now, because you are just going to be identifying them, you are just going to be acknowledging them, you have to be write down. And the second way, second thing, that if you think that I have done something wrong means that you have eaten junk food all the time and you didn't sleep on time. So it's just going to be like you have done something wrong to your health. So you are just going to be write down the both things, and now you have to be chant. You are just going to be talk to your health. So in the first phrase, you have to be say I am sorry, and say those things what you already wrote down in your notebook. It could be like I am sorry because I didn't take care of you properly. I am sorry because I didn't eat healthy. I am sorry because I didn't do exercising. Now, you can say, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me because from today onwards, I'm just going to be take care of you. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. But I'm from today onwards, I'm just going to be eat healthy food. Please forgive me. From today onwards, I'm just going to be exercising every day. Now you have to say thank you. Thank you so much, my dear health. Thank you so much for forgiving me. Even I have done a lot of things to you. Those things were not good for you, but I did. And please forgive me. Thank you so much. You have forgiven me. Even I have done something wrong to you. But you are so great. You are so kind. And that's why you have forgiven me. Thank you so much. Now you have to say, I love you. I really, really, really love you. Because you are imagining that you are talking to your health and your health is like a person. You are imagining that you are talking to your health, but your health is a person. That's why you are talking to a person. And you have to say, thank you so much and I love you. When you are just going to be say this phrase, I love you, you have to feel that. Now imagine that you are just going to be hug your health. Because your health is a person and now you have to be hug your health and say I love you. Say again and again over. Now when you are just going to be imagining yourself hugging your health, then you can say chant these phrases. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Chant these four phrases over and over again and imagining yourself that you are just going to be spreading love towards your health. You are just going to be talking to your health like a person. You are just going to be hugging your health. because your health is a person, and that's why you are doing this. So, if you are just going to be use Hoponopono prayer for your health in this way, although I have shared the two ways that you can use when it comes to be healing your health through the Hoponopono prayer, then you can use both of them or any of them. It depends on you. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.